Okay, get ready for this, because today we're talking about what might just be the world's easiest flatbread. Seriously. We're going to see how just two super simple ingredients can make something absolutely amazing. I know. A fluffy, delicious, can be used for anything flatbread with only two ingredients? It sounds completely made up, right? Well, stick with me, because that's exactly what we're diving into. And hey, if you're feeling skeptical, you're in good company. The person who shared this recipe thought the exact same thing. It's that no way this works feeling that makes the final result so cool. It feels like a magic trick you just have to share. So let's pull back the curtain. First up, the two-ingredient wonder. We're about to find out what the magic is behind all this simplicity. And there it is, the big secret. The number of things you need to make this, just two. That's it. Not a whole laundry list of flours and yeasts and whatever else, just two. And just look at this comparison. It's kind of wild. On the right, you've got your standard bread recipe: flour, yeast, sugar, salt, oil, the usual suspects. And on the left, our recipe: red lentils, water. That's the entire list. It just totally flips the whole idea of bread making on its head. So what's the secret sauce here? Well, it's gotta be red lentils. You can't just use any old lentil. Why? Because red lentils do this amazing thing where they break down and get incredibly creamy. Other kinds of lentils, they just don't. They stay a bit grainy and won't give you that perfectly smooth batter. All right, let's talk about how to actually do this. The prep is just as easy as the ingredient list, I promise. It really just boils down to two simple steps to get that perfect batter. Okay, step 1, soak. Just take 1 cup of red lentils and cover them with 2 cups of water. Let that hang out for at least 3 hours. Then step 2, blend. And listen, this part's important. Do not drain the water. You pour the whole thing, lentils and their soaking water, right into the blender. That keeps the ratio perfect. Then just let it rip until it's totally smooth. And how do you know when it's ready? Well, you're looking for something we've all seen before. You want it to look just like pancake batter. That's it. Once it has that familiar, pourable consistency, you know you've nailed it. Okay, we've got our batter. Now for the really fun part, actually cooking these things. So let's get into a few key tips that'll help you get a perfect, fluffy flatbread every single time. All right, pay attention here. First, and this is a big one, you have to use a nonstick pan. You don't need any oil, which is great, but the nonstick surface is crucial. Pour in about a ladleful and just let it be. Don't swirl it around. You'll know it's ready to flip when you see bubbles pop on the surface and stay open. Just like making pancakes. And hey, for real, don't worry if the first one's a total mess. The first one is always the test run, right? You'll get the hang of it fast. Oh, and here's a total game changer. You can make a massive batch of these things because they freeze perfectly. Just stack them up and they'll be good for up to 2 months. It's so awesome to have them ready to go. So, you did it. You have a beautiful stack of fresh flatbreads. Now what? Well, this is where it gets really good. Let's talk about all the amazing things you can do with them. The beauty of this recipe is that the flatbread itself is a totally blank canvas. It's not sweet, it's not salty, so you can go in any direction. Spread some peanut butter and jam on it for breakfast, or use it to dip into a big bowl of soup, scoop up some amazing curry, or even use it as a wrap. The possibilities are, well, endless. And the reason they're so versatile is because of their texture. They are just unbelievably soft and fluffy. But, and this is the crazy part, they're also super strong. You can roll them up, fold them in half, they won't tear or fall apart on you. It's pretty much the perfect combination. And this really says it all, doesn't it? It is just amazing what two simple ingredients, lentils and water, can become. A soft, strong, delicious flatbread. I mean, can you even believe this? It's a true kitchen miracle. So we'll leave you with this thought to chew on. If something this awesome can be hiding in a simple bag of lentils, it really makes you wonder, right? What other incredible, simple food secrets are just sitting there, waiting for us in our own pantries?